What I want to demonstrate today is how you can take the R.I.P Precision Tools, R.I.P Precision Tools database and import it into the Vectric database. I recently bought several of their bits and wanted to import it, and so I thought it'd be interesting for others to see how you can do that. I hope this is helpful. So the first thing you want to do is go to the R.I.P Precision Tools website. You can see it up here, ripprecisiontools.com. Go to the download section of their website. And when you get to the download section, you'll see a folder called Tool Libraries. Select that folder. And then you'll see the form tools. We won't get into that today. That's for creating your own form tools in the Vectric database. And then there's two tool databases for Vectric data. If I hover over the bottom one, you see that's for a tool database October 2021. And that's actually for the Vectric database if you haven't upgraded to version 11. If you've upgraded to Vectric version 11, Aspire, vCarve, or others, you'll want to use this database. So you would select this data, just click on it, and then you're going to download that data to wherever you do. You can see I recently downloaded it, this zip file myself, so I'm not going to redo it. The zip file is right here. I put it under my vCarve toolpath templates, and then I walked through and did a zip file. We'll go ahead and I'll resave it just so we can see the steps that I did. Okay, it's downloading. Now that it's finished downloading, I will go ahead and open up the file. I'm going to unzip the file. You can unzip this file to wherever you would normally unzip your folders. I'm going to go ahead and unzip the file to the vCarve toolpath templates folder, which is where I normally do. And it says replace the file. Remember, I already unzipped this, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and skip this file. You would have gone ahead and unzipped it, but I'm not going to repeat that step over again. So we're just going to go straight to where that zip file was unzipped. My computer's been acting a little slow and temperamental. All right. I no longer need this screen. I'm going to call up my File Explorer so you can see where it is. And you can see my R.I.P tool database is right here under R.I.P tool database version 11. So that's where my database is. So I open up an Aspire file, and I have to have a file open. So even though I'm not going to do anything with this file, I just created this blank file. And then I can open up the tool database. Toolpaths here, go to Tool Database. And under here, I want to import my R.I.P tools. Right now, they're already inside of this database because I imported them once before, just before this video. I'm going to go ahead and import them again, but I'll go ahead and show you how I did that. I simply go to the import. And I will say I'm going to import this tool database. I'm opening that up. That's the one I just downloaded. And I'm going to say merge, no overriding. Hit OK, because that's what I want to do. Now if I go back into my tool database, and I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see I have a group that's called R.I.P Cutting Tools. And there are several different bits under there. several of which I've recently purchased with all of the accompanying tool data. And now I have my tool database in there and can select those tools for performing work in VCarve or Aspire or any other Vectric software. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Appreciate any subscription. If you want to subscribe to potential future other tutorial videos that I might be producing, that'd be great. Subscribe. In any event, I do hope you found it helpful, and I'm just trying to pay it forward. Have a wonderful day, and let me know if in the comments section if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thank you.